Alright, for question number 1 on your warm-up here, find the exact value if I gave you this. So when you guys think of this problem, I want you to think about how it's kind of already set up for you, right? We just have to figure out which identity is it. Now I do want to highlight this one here in yellow. What do you guys notice about the angle here? Okay, it's negative. That should give you some clues. Look on your formula sheet. What do you do with a negative angle or negative x for tangent? As someone said, you just put that negative sign in front. Do you see that? So I'm going to go back, and every time I see tangent of negative 55 degrees, that just equals to negative tangent of 55. So I have tangent of 80, and here's my substitution. Put that in yellow. Negative tangent 55 degrees over 1 plus tangent of 80, and then instead of tangent of negative 55, what am I going to write, class? Negative tangent of 55. Okay, you might be asking, how does that change our problem? Well, now that turns into what? Positive tangent of 80 plus tangent of 55. Guess I didn't really need the parentheses there. And then this is a positive times a negative, which turns into a what? Negative. Okay, what do you do from here? Well, now I'm just going to write out the formula. Tangent of A plus tangent of B over 1 minus tangent of A, tangent of B. Kind of running out of room. Class, what formula is that? Sum or difference? Sum. Tangent. You said sum of tangent? And then that's just A plus B, right? Does that make sense what we're doing here? I'm just simplifying the parts that I need. The negative angle identity. Negative angle identity. And then that changes our math operations. And then I can change each of the angles into A's and B's. Well, if I recognize that's just the sum identity of tangent, then I just put my A plus B value. And my A value is 80 degrees. And my B value is how much? 55 degrees. And if I add those together, what do I get? (135 degrees). Then you can look on your unit circle, or you can just derive the unit circle. Here's 90, so there's 135. All students take calculus. What do you know about tangent? It's going to be a negative in there, right? And then the order pair at 135 degrees is negative radical 2 over 2. So that would be y over x, or sine over cosine, and that will equal what value? Negative 1. So to recap in this problem, simplify using negative angle identities. Write the formula below it so you can recognize that is the sum identity of tangent. There you have your A values and your B values. Add those together. Look on your unit circle and evaluate and get negative 1.